Will Smith is a 52-year-old American actor, rapper, and film producer. At 52, Will looks incredible. He does weightlifting training 5 days a week, but let's take a look at what he likes to eat to keep himself in this shape. Will believes that you basically are what you eat. Because of his training, Will takes in around 3,500 calories in about 5 meals a day. He starts his day with a healthy, nutrient-rich breakfast of eggs and oatmeal. Eggs are an excellent source of quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins and minerals, and antioxidants. Gluten-free oats are also a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fibre, and antioxidants. For lunch, Will may have some chicken breast with broccoli. Broccoli is a good source of fiber and protein, and contains iron, potassium, calcium, selenium and magnesium, as well as the vitamins A, C, E, K, and a good array of B vitamins including folic acid. For his dinner, Will may have beef with sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are highly nutritious. They are a great source of vitamins and minerals, and promote gut health because of their fiber and antioxidants. They also support healthy vision, brain function, and our immune system. For his snack when he's training, Will have an optimum nutrition protein shake. Will keeps his carbs low, but doesn't give them up completely, as they are needed by his body to build new, lean muscle. He hasn't always been health conscious though. In fact, it was his diet that was causing his high blood pressure, for which he had to take medication for years. Through dietary changes though, he managed to get off the medication. He decided to clean his diet up, committed to healthy eating, fresh and whole foods, in moderate amounts. Now he focuses on eating a higher protein diet, and cutting out all the junk. He tries to avoid processed foods, refined sugar, artificial ingredients and chemical additives. He will instead have chicken, steak, eggs, vegetables, oatmeal, whole grains, and fruits. And I think we can all agree that all this exercising and revised diet is really working for him. He looks great. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.